Hi, this is Alexander Marquez with another powerful video that's going to help you take your business to a brand new level. And on today's video, I'm going to be covering more marketing principles that are absolutely powerful and that you need to be applying in your business. And the first concept I want to cover is the importance of creating the popularity effect in your marketing. If you examine all of the highly successful companies in today's world, you will see that they play into this popularity factor. And this is why you see, for example, when there's a popular music group or a music artist out there, everyone's listening to them. If there's a popular product out there, all of a sudden you have everyone wanting that product. You start seeing it everywhere. It's because these companies are playing into the popularity factor. People want to have what other people have. So this is a very powerful marketing tool. You need to create the perception that your product is absolutely popular, and you need to communicate to your prospects why is it that they need your product over every other product that's out there in the market that may claim to be similar. For example, in your marketing materials, you can communicate the fact that your product is the most requested, it's the most sold, it has the most downloads. So when you use this kind of language, you are communicating the idea that, listen, there's already 1,000 people that order this product. So you need to get on board because you're going to miss this train. And people just don't want to miss the train. They want to be part of something popular, of a popular movement. So if you're able to create this popularity effect in your marketing, you will create massive results. So that's a factor number one that you want to incorporate in your marketing. Find a way to make your product seem popular so that other people will want to jump on board and also be part of this movement. The second idea that I want to communicate when it comes to marketing is you want to create this idea that when people get your product, they're entering some kind of an exclusive club. Because even though people, will follow what others do, at the same time, people have this inherent need to want to be different, to want to be special, to feel that they're part of this kind of VIP club. They're part of an exclusive club. This is why you always see companies promoting limited offers. This discount is only available for a limited time. It's only available, it's a limited edition. There's only a limited amount available. This offer is only available to the next 20 customers. We only have so many products left. It's because they're creating this idea of exclusivity. They're using scarcity to drive up the demand for their product. So you need to create this idea in the minds of the consumer that your product is absolutely unique, and when they purchase it, they will enter an exclusive club. They will be important people because they're part of a very limited exclusive club. Even though maybe deep inside they know it's not true. You see, when it comes to marketing, it's not about what the consumer knows. It's all about their feelings. It's about how you make them feel. And if you make them feel exclusive, then this will lead them to want to buy what is that you are offering. People want to be special. People want to be part of an exclusive club. If you manage to accomplish that, then you will be on your way to success. So in your marketing materials, make sure that you list that there's only so many available. This will only be available for a limited time. This offer expires in the next so many hours, so many days, this will drive up demand. You won't see this product anywhere else. You know, that kind of language is going to create the effect that you want in your marketing. You know, I can only offer this service to the next 15 students I sign up to my class. That sort of language is what's going to drive up demand. So use the power of exclusivity, power of scarcity to drive up your marketing efforts. And finally, you want to communicate that your product is superior to anything else out there. People want to feel important. See, a lot of people, they look at the rich and famous, and they kind of identify in their minds that I will probably never be as rich as that individual, as that actor, as that singer, as that, you know, that athlete. But many times it's not about the fact that they're going to be as wealthy. It's the fact that they want to have that feeling that they live like the rich and famous. So you have to be able to communicate to your prospects that if they get your product, if they get your service, this is going to distinguish them from the masses. They're going to be unique. They're going to be superior to most people out there. They're going to have something that no one else has. They're going to be special. They're going to live like the rich and famous. They're going to feel like it, like the rich and famous. Even if they might not have their money, they will feel important because they are using a superior product that not everyone is using. And it doesn't only have to do with price tag. It's not just about selling a product that's more expensive. This is not the only thing that makes a product or a service be superior. It's what sets it apart. Maybe you have the best customer service out there. Maybe you have the quality of your product is immensely superior to your competition. Maybe the time that you're able to save people with what you offer makes your product superior to other products. Just identify the key component that makes your product stand out, that makes your product superior, and communicate that superiority to your prospects. So just highlight what sets you apart. So like I said in this video, that these three components, if you're able to establish that your product is popular, and who doesn't want to be popular? If you're able to establish that when people buy your product or get your service, they're part of an exclusive club, part of a VIP club, which will make them feel special. And if you're able to highlight what makes your product superior, you will be on your way to dominating your market. So I hope this was helpful. My name is Alexander Marquez. I encourage you to visit alexandermarquez.net. And I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Take care.